Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. That evening, another new booty has been your upstairs. Koda chika charok there. So let's do what is there in my baby Jamyang's bag. Kogi bag come to cute. Look, elephant bag in Kogi. He have got elephant bag. Let's check what is in his bag. Okay, Jamyang got. Ko bag na nasa lapin. First thing first is meta bag chite alu sugate jor diaper. Kogi diaper ine didi. Secondly, we have got his wipes, baby wipes in it. Then again one diaper. That's it for his bag. I'm just gonna diaper that I'm going to I think he have got money. He have got 5 knot. That's it for his bag. I'm bag 2 pieces. And let's do what is here in mom's bag when we reach at home. Let's do. Guys, let's check what is in my bag. This is my bag. So let's check it out. I used to carry a big bag. This is my airport. I usually carry it because I need it when I'm working in office. So I have got one office file. And next one is, this is office laptop. I usually carry every day in my bag. And absolutely a charger. This is laptop charger. And this is a book currently I'm reading. So this book currently I'm reading, I think this is quite good because it's a Biljang Chingba Daton Bindigi, Good Wives, Good Life, in 2026 the first book. So the half of my name. So next one is Boom Bejinle, Libum Chimapale Kaibego. So realistic. And I used to carry a drives, some drives. So my documents to Fred and to Jenny. That's it. That's it in my bag. Thank you. So thank you for watching my vlog. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe button di. Thank you. Bye bye.